Today we're going to be learning one-point perspective. Hopefully by the end of this session, you will have basic understanding of one-point perspective and how to apply it in your own drawing. You will need a ruler, pencil sharpener, and an eraser. The horizon is where the earth meets the sky. That's where the word horizontal comes from. The vanishing point is the point where all things appear to disappear into in one-point perspective. You see these lines? Even they lead into the vanishing point. Here's another example. The lines above and below appear to vanish into the vanishing point. They all merge together. Can you see where the vanishing point is on this one? Do this with me in your journal. Draw a horizon line in the middle of your paper and put a vanishing point anywhere along that line. Somewhere near the middle is best. Next, draw 3 rectangles, one above, one below, and one on the horizon line. From there, draw lines connecting each of the corners of the first rectangle to the vanishing point, like it's shown here. You can repeat this for all your rectangles. Next, draw 2 lines parallel to each of the sides of the rectangle. You can then make those lines darker and erase off your guidelines. And you now have a rectangle floating in air. Can you repeat this for the other 2 rectangles and see what you end up with? Some key takeaways from this. Number 1, all horizontal lines are parallel to the horizon. That means the top and the bottoms of the rectangles are parallel to the horizontal line that runs through the middle. All vertical lines are 90 degrees perpendicular to the horizon line. So that means the right and left sides of those rectangles are intersecting or perpendicular to the horizon line. The diagonal lines, however, the ones that are making up the 3D or the third side of the rectangle, appear to lead to the vanishing point. That's what makes it look like it's vanishing into space. Objects in the distance appear smaller, lighter in tone, less detailed, and closer together. Here you can see some examples of one-point perspective. Can you find the vanishing point in each of these? However, there are some limitations to using one-point perspective. What do you think they might be? Next, we'll talk about two-point perspective. Stay tuned.